Hey, you two, welcome back. I got this special unboxing for you guys to check it out. I just picked this one up from Costco. That's the item number 1157423. Give a 360 view of the box real quick. It was the original seal with the plastic wrap, but when I pick it up, the representative had to open it and make sure I check it before I take it out. Take it out the store. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. This is the certificate that come with it. As you can see, that's the item number. This is the 14 white gold and diamond heart earrings. Each earring set with the 10 round brilliant cut diamond. The total diamond weight of the earring is 1.0 carat or greater. And then the clarity for the diamond is VS2 or better. The diamond color is eye color. Come with this wooden jewelry box. Jewelry box is made in China. Normally they was put the diamond ring here, the earring here, so I'm not sure what the print is. This Ziploc bag. So let's go ahead and check this out real quick. So it's an individual separate bag. I guess they didn't want the diamond to knock to each other and then make it come apart or something. So let's go ahead and check this one out. So as you can see, it is a diamond shape. Come with this real clip, pushing clip. Okay. Check out the other one. You gotta be careful because last time we purchased one diamond ring with a small diamond, but somehow one of the diamond fell off. So lucky Costco, they allow us to get refund. So there are like 10 small diamond in there, so I gotta be careful. So that's why they don't want to put in the one bag. So in case during the delivery they keep on knocking on each other and then some of the diamond come apart. Anyway, this set is about $999.99 plus tax. See right there, $999.99. And then the total damage is $1,777.49 due to the 77.50 tax. So anyway, this is my quick unboxing for this diamond earring. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and be sure to hit that notification button. Please drop any other comments on below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, like always, peace out guys.